Good morning, gentlemen. Today's lecture topic is child labor. Child labor involves the children which are forced to work physically and they have been affected mentally, physically and sociologically and emotionally even. Because in early age of period of a children, their development, their motor skills have need a development and they have to explore in different activities so that a holistic development of a particular children should take place. But the poor family children, their father cannot afford the school fees, that's why they are involved in the child labor act. The businessmen who are involved in using the child as the labor because they have to not give any type of wages to them, and in free of cost their things have been completed, so it increases the level of child trafficking in the India. Government took initiative and they banned the child labor. The child labor have been banned in India and they have started government school which gives free education to the poor family children, but the execution is not as the initiation. That's why they have included the midday meal scheme, but it is not up to the mark in each and every school. It is there but in only few school, so children can attract to that school for the meal only, but the education is not also with them and not even meal because their execution is not proper. If we talk about the two personalities of the children, if children belong to rich family, then he or she get each and everything, more development takes place, a holistic development of a child, they get education and go for the higher studies and make their future. But poor children who are involved in such things because their parents think they have not so much amount of money that they can afford, so they are involved in only labors. So this is the reason that these things are avoided. But nowadays this mentality have been left behind and poor children are also doing well in the education if we see the records. So the main reason to stop the child labor is the government should take strict laws and strict steps towards this act, because the India has more than 65% of youth, so we can think that the youth can do anything and can take India at such a high level. We have heard a great saying of the great writer, great poem and the great leader, even we can say that Swami Vivekanand ji says that you give me the youth, I will let you change the whole world. So let's take the initiative and make that statement true. Thank you.
A very good evening, all my dear fans and respected tutors. Today, the most important topic is the child labor. So let's start topic. Firstly, the facts about the economic exploitation of children worldwide. While child labor around the world has declined by more than a third in the last 15 years, it remains a serious challenge and barrier to the well-being of children, according to a 2017 report by the International Labour Order Organization. The number of child laborers around the world fell from 246 million in 2000 to around 152 million in 2016. However, millions of children continue to be exploited for cheap labor, especially in countries such as India. Second thing, how many child laborers are there in India? According to the International Labour Organization, there are around 12.9 million Indian children engaged in work between the age of 7 to 17 years old. When children are employed or doing unpaid work, they are less likely to attend a school or attend only intermittently, trapping them in the cycle of poverty. Millions of Indian girls and boys are going to work every day in quarries and factories or selling cigarettes on the street. The majority of these children are between 12 and 17 years old and work up to 16 hours a day to help their families make ends meet. But child labor in India can start even earlier, with an estimated 10.1 million children between the age of 5 and 14 years old engaged in work. As children get older, their involvement in employment also increase. In India, 20% of all children aged to 15 to 17 years old are involved in hazardous industries and jobs. what forms of child labor are there are where do child laborers in India work? According to a study by the ILO, the majority of the world's child labor, around 71%, is done in the agriculture sector, including cotton plantations sector, including cotton plantation and rice fields. Around 17% are employed as service staff, many as domestic workers or in restaurants, and another 12% of child labor is spread across jobs in industry sector, including dangerous activities in mines. What are the cases of child labor in India? Despite the recent economic boom in India, more than a third of all Indians still live below the poverty line. The technical innovations and developments in the IT sector have not created jobs in poverty-stricken areas. People from rural areas with little education often see no alternative but to take their children out of a school and put them to work to help feed their family. Thank you.